Hi, welcome to Quattro Haynes. This is our Audi Q5 2013 63 model, finished in black with black wheels. It's pretty blacked out, this one. 2 litre TDI. It's in nice condition. It's appropriate for the age and miles of the vehicle. There are a few marks on it, as you'd expect, but as you can see, nothing major. Somebody put these wind things on the doors, which we've left on. There we go. So there are a couple of loading marks on the boot that we are having smart repaired, so they won't be there. There we go. Yeah, I mean, as I say, it's in really nice condition. Has got a really nice spec, this car, including there are rubber mats in here, by the way, including rear heated seats. This car also benefits from full leather inside, heated front seats. It does have sat nav, a reverse camera as well. Just under 90,000 miles, 89,738. The car does obviously offer excellent value. Now it's on the miles it is. We do offer finance. We take part exchanges. If you go to www.carsfordandhaynes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. As always, thanks for looking.